Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Joy, and today is another day I will be showing you how you make your own extra virgin coconut oil. If you want to know how to make this coconut oil, please do continue watching. We all know that coconut is very beneficial for so many things. You can use coconut for your skin, for your hair. I use coconut to moisturize my skin, you know. Coconut has so many benefits. So if you want to benefit from this oil, how to make your own, avoiding buying it from the supermarket, you can just make your own. Very affordable, easy and simple to make. Do continue watching. If you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Also check out other of my videos. They are amazing and interesting videos that you will learn from it. If you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. God bless you. So let's jump into it. So guys, I'm gonna be using 2 coconuts to make this oil. So I'm gonna peel this coconut off. So I'll have to break it. You don't throw the water away because the water is very good. It has a lot of water. Wow, this is nice. When you're doing this, you have to be careful of your hand. Oh. So I've finished breaking my coconut, so I'm just gonna remove the coconut from the shell. You have to be careful. So guys, I finished washing my coconut, so I'm gonna chop it into small pieces now. So I will be chopping it into small pieces. So guys, I've finished chopping my coconut. So as you can see, so we are going to make oil out of this coconut. So guys, I will be blending my coconut now. So I will just blend my coconut now. I will add water, like a little warm water. So I'll just add it to make it blend. So guys, I have finished blending my coconut, so I'm gonna strain it into my empty bowl. Just strain it inside. So you just squeeze it inside so that the oil can come out from it. This is very simple to make. So guys, this is the last part. I've strained it for 2 times so that I will really get the oil from it. So this is the second strain. So guys, this is the milk I came out with after I strained it for 2 times. You do the first one, the second one. So this is the milk which I came up with. But now I'm gonna put this inside the fridge and separate the water from the milk. So I'm gonna put it inside the fridge, but I'm gonna wrap it. I cover it with my plastic wrap so that it will not pour inside my fridge. So I just cover it up. So guys, so this is the cream. So as you can see, I'm just gonna pull it out. See, I separated from the water. So guys, I will be cooking my oil now. So you just put it in on your pot and place it on the stove. So you make it boil so that you can get the oil from the cream. So that's what I'm doing right now. And this I keep it inside the fridge for 12 hours. Or if you don't want to put it inside the fridge, you can just drop it there on the floor. You put in your bowl, then you keep it in just a dry place for maybe 1 day. From there you will get the cream out. So guys, this is how my oil is cooking. So I will just let it cook and bring out the oil. So you let it sit on a low heat. You don't overcook you don't increase the stove too much, but you bring it in a low heat. So you let it bring out the oil. So that's what I'm doing right now. So guys, as you can see, the oil is floating, as you can see. So you keep on stirring it. So you stir it. See, the oil is floating. So guys, this is how my oil is cooking. As you can see, the oil has started coming out very well. So you just keep on stirring it. So guys, as you can see, my oil is ready. So I'm just gonna let it sit. So I'm gonna turn off the lights. So I will let it sit and cool. Then after, I will strain it into my jug. So guys, this is my coconut oil. So I'm gonna be straining it now. So you will need your plate or whatever you can use and your strainer. So I'm just gonna strain it. be pressing the oil to really get more oil. So I need my bowl to strain it inside. So guys, this is the coconut oil. So guys, this is the coconut. I have extracted the oil out from the coconut. So this is the oil. As you can see, this oil is so beneficial for your skin. This oil, you can use it to moisturize your skin. You can use it on your hair. You can use it to remove your makeup. After your makeup, you use this coconut oil to remove your makeup. This coconut is perfect in removing your makeup, and if you have a cracked heel, so this coconut oil is able to moisturize those heels and give you a smooth heel. So if you keep applying this coconut every day, maybe every night if you want to sleep, and you will come out with amazing result. So this coconut is so amazing, which I'm gonna just try it on my hand to see. As you can see, it smells so good, so good. Coconut oil is my best oil ever. This coconut oil, I will use it on my skin, on my hair. I will apply it every night on my face, so to moisturize my skin. So guys, check out other of my video. There's amazing video which you will learn about beauty things, beauty tips. So just check out other of my channel and see you in the next video. Bye. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you know that this video was helpful and useful to you, please subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Share this video with your loved ones, with your family, with your friends. If you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. Check out other of my video. I have so many amazing videos you will learn from it that will be beneficial in your skin. So check out other of my video like lemon oil, like avocado oil. There are so many videos that I have on this channel. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. See you in another video. Bye.